Hi guys, this is Rajiv Nedungadi here, and today I'm going to unbox the Blu-ray of the Internship. This is actually an Indian edition. Okay, I got it on an offer on Amazon. It says Blu-ray plus DVD. However, here it says only Blu-ray, but the listing said Blu-ray plus DVD. So let's open this up. But before that, we'll just check the specifications. Okay, so it's got special features, theatrical and unrated extended cut. So two versions of it: audio commentary, deleted scenes, and given Monday. We've got languages: English DTS 5.1 and French DTS 5.1, and English and French subtitles. Blu-ray, and it says DVD region is 2 and 5, and Blu-ray is all regions. BD runtime is 164 minutes. It's BD 50, and its DVD runtime is 156 minutes approximately. Presentation type is 16:9. Okay, so let's open this up and see. Okay, so it says DVD plus Blu-ray, but it does not have a DVD bundle with it. So even the cover says it's got a DVD, but it doesn't have a DVD bundled. I'll have to contact Amazon now about this. So here is the disc. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like. Thank you.